It's around 11:30 Saturday. That's 11:30 a.m. Saturday. Day after Ike has passed. There's Bella, kind of looking around. And as you can see, we have locked down our grill, and we've taken everything out of the fireplace. And we've just got a lot of limbs over at the spa. You can see we've got some sprinkling, and the pool has a lot of greenery in it. Got some nice waves. That's much higher than it normally is. We've been using it though to flush the toilets. Otherwise, we are okay. We don't have water, but we have plenty of ice, plenty of bottled water. You see, we're still getting some rain. Still getting gusts, but it's not nearly so bad. Not nearly so bad.